Hello, I'm Mrs. Schmelzer.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Schmelzer, and I have this presentation for you guys for open house. I will see everyone on either Monday or Wednesday. Bye.
All right, so I have been teaching for 27 years. I've taught in El Paso, Texas, Chillicothe High School, and also at Fairfield Union. I've been married since 1994. I have three wonderful kids. I love sports, I especially love soccer and basketball. I love to read. Recently, I've taken up growing and collecting succulents, and I think it's awesome. Key Club is something that I co-advise with Mrs. Totten. It's a service organization where you can go through and help others. It looks really good on college applications and scholarship applications. The four subjects I'll be teaching are AP Calculus, Calculus, Pre-Calculus, and Transition. These are the main topics that we'll be going over. To the right, you can see the calculators that we have that you'll be able to use and that we will be using. We use a little bit of Desmos. To contact me, obviously you can always contact me through email, but my planning period, the remind text, which I will explain in class, Google Classroom, AP, we'll use the AP College Board, and then VLA for those people who are staying at home. Our classroom rules and expectations, I expect you to be respectful, to be courteous to others. I always want you to try. I expect you to try. That's one of my biggest things. Get help. So be helpful to others and get help if you need it. Don't just sit back and not move forward. Help yourself and be prepared. Lessons will be presented and posted in Google Classroom. So I will take a blank set of notes and I'll record myself writing on them and talking. Then I will put those videos online. Then I will also put the completed PDF of the notes that I used. I'll also put on a blank set of notes. Then I'll have the worksheet that we're going to use for an assignment. During the week, each day, there's a lot of questions and I'm putting them on the board. I'm going to go ahead and make a recording and post that so everyone can see those. And then if I see that we're having a lot of trouble with people at home, during the week, I'll have a Google Meet and just let whoever wants to come in and ask questions for their homework, ask questions. Finally, this is a different year. We're going to have a great year. We can do this. Everything will be fine. I'll see you either on Monday or Wednesday. Goodbye.